Here the question is to define the given terms. The first one is tranquilizers. Tranquilizers are medications used to reduce anxiety, agitation and stress. They work by calming the central nervous system and can be classified into major tranquilizers and minor tranquilizers. Diazepam is an example for a minor tranquilizer and clozapine is an example for major tranquilizer. They are used to manage anxiety disorder, panic attacks and certain psychiatric conditions. The second one is antiseptics. Antiseptics are substances applied to living tissues to prevent or reduce infection by killing or inhibiting the growth of microorganisms. They used to clean wounds and prevent infection. Common antiseptics include alcohol, hydrogen peroxide and iodine solutions. They are used for wound care, hand hygiene and pre-operative skin preparation to prevent infections. In the oral question, we need to explain the cleaning action of soap. The cleaning activity of soap involves several mechanisms. The first one is emulsification. Soap contains the molecules with both hydrophobic and hydrophilic ends. They are sodium or potassium salts of carboxylic acids. When soap is added to water, the hydrophobic tail attaches to the oily or greasy dirt while the hydrophilic head interacts with the water. This forms an emulsion where the oil or grease is dispersed in water and this allows it to be rinsed away. In the process, soap molecules aggregate to form the structures known as micelles. The hydrophobic tail of soap molecules cluster inward, trapping oil and grease, while the hydrophilic head fails outward, interacting with the surrounding water. The micelle encapsulate the oil or grease, making it soluble in water. So the given diagram represents the micelle formation which takes place during the cleaning action of soap. The soap lowers the surface tension of water and making it easier for water to spread and penetrate into dirt and stains. This helps to lose and lift dirt from the surfaces, enhancing the overall cleaning action.